Defects. There are many different types of defects in a home, and you'll come across all different types. But if you look up the definition of different types of defects using InterNACHI's glossary, click the link, you'll find that there are four. There's cosmetic, minor, major, material, and only one is defined and identified and listed in the Standards of Practice. The Home Inspection Standards of Practice lists what a material defect is, and a home inspector is required to report upon those defects that he or she both observes and deems to be a material defect. There are other defects that are required for you to list as in need of correction according to the Standards of Practice. So please refer to the Home Inspection Standards of Practice. But according to the glossary, there are four different types of defects here. And you could use these terms or not. There's no regulation, no standard, no requirement for using the terms of the different types of defects. The cosmetic defect, that's a superficial flaw or a blemish. You can report it as courtesy. Minor defect, that's something that a homeowner can fix themselves. For example, a dirty air filter could be fixed by the homeowner. It's a maintenance issue. Major defect is something that's wrong and we need a contractor to come out and fix it because a typical homeowner, the average homeowner, can't fix it themselves. And maybe that would be a hot water tank that is leaking on the floor and needs to be replaced. You need a master plumber for that. A material defect is a specific issue with a system or component of a property that may have a significant adverse impact on the value of the property or that poses an unreasonable risk to someone. An example would be a deck that's attached to the house but actually isn't because the flashing at the ledger board is missing, and over the years water has gotten behind there and has totally rotted out. So now the deck is about to fall off and a deck collapse is imminent. That is a material defect, an example of a material defect. So look up the definitions of defects using InterNACHI's glossary by clicking the link right now.